Okay, so this will be pretty short, but just going to show you a few of the measurements that have to be made that you'll need to calculate the things we're interested in. So one thing it's going to ask for is the diameter of the drum, and they call that capital D subscript drum. So what we're talking about with the drum, again, is just the area there. Say when we spin this and the tape or the string wraps around it. Okay, so that cylindrical part there, we want the diameter of that. So we can just take the caliper. Okay, you've seen the caliper before, right? You've used that. So, it's pretty straightforward. You just go right around the drum itself there and measure what it is, or maybe you can see it a little easier if I do it this way. Okay. Anyway, you get the diameter of the drum that way. So when you have the diameter of the drum, then half of that is the radius of the drum, and we'll know the force that's being applied in the string by the string. That'll be the tension in the string, which would just be the same as the weight that's hanging on the other end of the string. Okay, now let's go over to the ring. Okay, so the ring here, you're going to notice there's a pink piece of cardboard on there, a piece of pink cardboard, and I'll bet that some of you can guess why that's there now. Okay, it's attached to it's taped to the side of the ring. Okay, so you can take calipers and just measure that. All right, so okay, not too tight. You don't want to bend the. Okay, so anyway, just the size of the width of that cardboard flag that's attached to the ring. Okay. Other thing we want to know is the ring. We'd like to know the diameter. There are actually two diameters. There's the outside and the inside. Okay. So we can just take a ruler. The caliper's not quite big enough to handle this, so we'll just have to take a ruler and okay. So you can do that and measure the diameter of the outside and also the inside. It might look a little, don't be fooled when this camera, when I look at it like this, it might make this ring look like it's thicker on one side than it is the other. That's just a illusion. It's actually uniform thickness all the way around. But anyway, we want the inside diameter inside there, and also the outside diameter. So we get those with the ruler. All right. So there's a little bit extra uncertainty because you're having to kind of eyeball exactly where you would be with the ruler as far as getting the widest part of it. But anyway, we do the best we can with that. And so that's just some basic measurements. Okay.